Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Now we are going to calculate the worked hours for a day start and end time. So how I am calculating? Let's see the data what I have day wise their start time and end time. So here I am typing as a equal mode function. The number is end time minus the start time comma deviation is 1 and close the bracket. Now I want to change this in the form of hours. For that I'm going to format cells, custom, changing into hours and minutes. I'm copying the same formula to all the cells. Let's see how many hours they worked. My entire week it was 45 hours. Now I'm changing here the data set. Instead of 435, I'm making it as a 535. Will it change or not? Let's see. For another cell also I'm making instead of 17 I'm changing to 20. That means 8 p.m. This is all about the mode function. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel.